is going on, YouTube land? I am ChrisCataluna. Before we get into this video, go ahead and check out my Instagram on the bottom left, ChrisCataluna with the underscore at the end. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would greatly appreciate it. And give me the thumbs up if you enjoy this video by the end of it. All right, let's get into the video. So if you watched one of my previous videos, located up there, I talk about this collaboration between PUMA and Diamond Supply Company. Now, if you didn't know, Diamond Supply Company is a skate brand. And I was really excited for this collaboration, especially since I was an employee of PUMA and I used to be an assistant manager for PacSun, which sold a lot of Diamond Supply companies. So this was just something I was really excited for, and Nikki Diamonds on Instagram was teasing this specific shoe. And Nikki Diamonds on Instagram, who is the CEO of Diamond Supply Company, by the way, kept teasing a bunch of PUMA diamond shoes, like the Clydes, the Suedes, and some other things. But there was this one particular model that I was really excited for, and it was the PUMA Abysses. And I was really excited for this shoe because the shoe looked very high fashion, even though it was still a skate shoe. And here they are, they're finally in hand. Here are the PUMA Diamond Supply Company Abysses. Just look at it, just look at this shoe. This shoe is freaking flawless, or so I thought. So Nikki Diamonds kept teasing this particular shoe for quite a while on Instagram, and then they finally decided on a date of June 2nd, 2018. And the shoe was only going to be released on the Diamond Supply Company website. And I looked for information if they were going to be releasing it elsewhere, and I couldn't find anything. I actually reached out to PUMA, and PUMA was like, no, it's only going to be on the Diamond website. So I looked on the Diamond website and looked at their return policy, and I'm pretty big on return policies. If I can't get my money back, then I probably won't purchase anything from your website. So their policy was, once you purchase an item, you can't wear it, which is, of course, that's pretty much a given for any retailer of shoes. But once you purchase the shoes, you can't wear it. But them specifically, they said, if you return a shoe, we'll give you store credit. Now, back then, I used to like Diamond Supply Company. As an older adult now, Diamond Supply Company is not something that I really rock. I mean, yeah, I still have some shirts in my closet that I'll wear, but it's not something that I will actively search for when I go out shopping. So pulling the trigger on $140 for this shoe, I pulled it. So this shoe retailed on the Diamond Supply Company website for $140 at $8 for shipping. After waiting about an hour, this shoe actually sold out on the website. So a couple days later, I finally received the package and I open the box and I get my shoes in, and I'm really excited. I really love this shoe. But I get onto Instagram and I see that they're releasing the same model, this same exact shoe on the PUMA website now. And I'm upset because I buy from the PUMA website quite often, and I know that if I need to return something from the PUMA website, that I can do it with no issue. And not only that I can return it to the website, I can return it to a physical store here in Austin or in San Antonio, Texas. And however I made my payment, whether it's cash, credit card, or a store credit, that's what I'm gonna get back in return. So I put on the shoe, I rocked it at the club, I rocked it at the Nice Kicks Travis Scott event, and this happens. So the shoe has zippers on both sides. This zipper works, but this one, it fell off. And at this point, I'm super upset because I read the return policy from the Diamond website, and I don't want $140 credit on the Diamond website. I'm just like, and I've already reached out to Diamond via email, and it's been a little bit more than 24 hours and I still haven't got a response. And this is during the week, so I'm pretty pissed right now. But outside that incident, let's actually get into this review. This is the PUMA Diamond Supply Company Abysses. Now, this shoe comes in two different colorways. Obviously, it comes in the black and Tiffany blue colorway, and it comes in a gray and black colorway. Retail is $140. I paid $8 in shipping from the Diamond Supply Company website. If I would have bought it from the PUMA website, it would have been free shipping. This shoe looks immaculate. I love the styling of the shoe. Again, it looks very high fashion. It kind of almost takes a shit on the Weeknd's collaboration with PUMA. Looking at the upper of the shoe, I really love it. It is made out of a neoprene material right here, which is the black, and I like it because it has those perforations. It just looks really good. But those perforations right here enable your foot to breathe while it's inside the shoe. And it does really wrap around your foot. It has the pull tab right here, and it says PUMA in Tiffany blue with the diamond logo. And it has this striping going all the way down to the toe box. And it says PUMA with the diamond logo right here. And that is done up in black. Towards the front of the shoe, you see this white marking right here. This acts as a mud guard so you don't get dirt on the fabric of the shoe. But two, this acts as a skate shoe, so when you are skating with this shoe and your shoe touches the grip tape, it doesn't fray the fabric lining right here. It doesn't destroy the upper of the shoe. Now what separates the colors or the materials of the shoe is the zipper right here. The zipper is sewn into both of the fabrics, and there are two on both sides, in the medial and the lateral sides of the shoe. Now these zippers are made from YKK, and normally I would say these are quality zippers. YKK makes the best, but you already know my situation. It's okay, I forgive you. Maybe this is a one-off. Now, why I like the zippers on the shoe is because it just makes it that much easier to put the shoe on your feet. And because the lanyard's pretty cool too, and the lanyard is actually attached to the zippers. It has black clasp, and the lanyard has Tiffany blue with some black accents on the roping. The Tiffany portion of the shoe is done up in mesh material, and that enables your foot to breathe while in the shoe. And on the back of the shoe, you'll see a striping right here with the diamond logo and the PUMA logo done up in Tiffany blue. And under that, you'll see a rubberized material with horizontal lines going across and the PUMA logo right there. Getting into the midsole of the shoe, you will see this accent, this Tiffany accent with a diamond logo in the middle of a circle. Pretty cool. And the midsole is done up mostly of white material. There is no specific technology involved like their version of Boost or anything like that. It's just a rubberized material. Looking on the sole of the shoe, it is done up in Tiffany blue, and the design is not too crazy, but it works for this specific shoe. You have the two ripple points right here, you have the vertical lines right here, and then you have the PUMA logo right there. And there is no specific technology with the sole, it's just a straight up rubber sole. In pulling out the insole of the shoe, this is what it looks like. You have a portion of it in black, and then you have a portion of it in Tiffany blue. You have the PUMA on top with the diamond logo on the bottom. And this is done up in DuraPoint-X. I'm not too sure what company actually makes it, but there is a little bit of cushioning in there. In terms of comfort, I do think the shoe is pretty comfortable. I was able to wear this for 8 hours, and I had no problems with it. I had no issues whatsoever. Now, in terms of fitment, I usually rock a size 8.5 or 9. This specific shoe was a size 9, and the fitment, I had a lot of space, or I had enough space at the toe, and my toes were not cramped up. So I actually love the fitment of this shoe. I love the fitment of all PUMA shoes. All right, guys, that pretty much sums up my thoughts about this shoe. Again, I'm pretty upset that the zipper broke off. I'm trying to get a refund or a replacement model. We'll see how that works. I know I've contacted support already. I contacted the Diamond support, and it's already been more than 24 hours, and they haven't reached out to me. So I'm reaching out to PUMA now. PUMA, help me out here. Aside from the issues that I was encountering, what do you think about this shoe? Is this a shoe that you would like to have in your collection? Let me know down in the comments below. Hit that thumbs up if you definitely like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. All right, guys, that's it for this video. We'll check you later. Cheers.